So today we're in Puerto de la Cruz. So we're going to take a little wander around and see what's going on in this part of Tenerife. Don't forget to comment below if you've been to this area. Let's get going. As you can see on the right hand side, we've got the gorgeous pools, which is Lagos Martinez, a leisure complex here in Puerto de la Cruz. It's really lovely, and it's surrounded by the emerald pools. You've got manicured gardens, and you've got terraces, restaurants, bars. So if you're ever on this side of the island, I really recommend going there. you got Café de Paris. So this restaurant's one of my favourites. We always come here and get croissant. They do lovely pastries, gorgeous cakes, kind of coffee, just sit down and chill. And it's got a very different vibe in there. Really, really lovely. I definitely recommend having a nice little bite to eat and sitting down and chilling in Café de Paris. Got Hotel Catalonia, Las Vegas there. Really massive hotel. It's got a really funky entrance. Let's have a quick look over. Wow, look at that. There you go, 4-star. You've got a McDonald's underneath, everything that you need. That's the bus stop for Loro Park. Got Alley Hop, they're everywhere, you can't escape them. This one's dressed up in their Christmas get up. Souvenirs, all your normal stuff. So we're just going to head down this way. So we're going a little bit more like along the waterfront. You've got the beautiful beaches. There were some surfers just a moment ago as we sort of came down. Wow, it's a lovely little church here. Let's check this out. Such beautiful gardens. I love the flowers, the vibrancy of the flowers is so lovely. We'll go along the waterfront. I'll show you guys the views. There's a lovely restaurant coming along here that we've been to as well, and you've got like the views of the ocean literally splashes up on you as you're eating. Very unique. And as you can see, there is actual steps going down, so if you do want to go in the water, it's very easy access. So it's like rock pools. Do a little bit of snorkeling, see what little fish you can find. Down here, I'll take you a little bit closer to the rock pools. There's a little beach here as well. nice, gives a really different vibe because you've got the beach and then you've got the shops and everything. So it's kind of like you're in a little bit of a town, but then you've also got that lovely water and you can just come and chill or go and sit in the natural sea pools. So you've got all the options to you. Right, let's go back up to the hustle and bustle. More lovely restaurants along here. You've got the gorgeous views of the ocean, those lovely rock pools. A little bit more of a traditional vibe. Let me know in the comments below if you agree. We have got some more North Tenerife content. Stunning. So this restaurant here, the one I was talking about earlier, that is Rustico. I'm probably butchering that, but it's a really, really lovely restaurant and you've got that gorgeous view. In the distance there, you can see there's like a fairground, so we'll try and aim, that's where we're going to sort of head towards. See the gorgeous Puerto Cruz sign in the background. But you can see as it curves off, there is an area where you can actually